Summer is
Bakit ba
love
summer
dahil?
is love? Summer is love. Kasi pag summer, walang pasok, nagbabak... Wait lang. Wait lang po, patapos. Nalaglag yung candy ni Mark.
Sabi ni Maymay,
Uy, kasi kumain ako ng chicken nuggets, kaya dapat mabango yung ano ko, bibig ko. Oh, sige na, summer is love kasi ate, anong... Akala ko ipin mo yun.
akala ko nga ipin dun eh.
Oh, anyway, summer is love for me kasi yun nga, bakasyon.
Bawa ng lawa.
It's
Lawa
the
ni
time
Maymay.
to spend, parang meron naman tayong oras na mag-spend time with our family.
Family,
Bakasyon.
friends, ayun. Tama naman. I agree with Sue. Kayo,
Talaga dahil kasama ko every Sunday si Donnie, tsaka si Sue, tsaka syempre si Maymay. And syempre, kayo naman guys.
agree with Sue. Kayo guys, summer is love dahil...
Summer is love dahil habang tumatagal, summer is
Kaya pa
love
ba?
dahil habang tumatagal, mas nagiging hot yung kasama ko.
Ah! Pwede,
Kasi
pwede.
umiinit lang. Di ba mga 30 degrees
Umiinit
na?
kasi yung mga nararamdaman namin. Hindi! Tayong lahat! Ibig ko sabihin,
Parang mali.
tayong lahat.
Parang mali yun.
Edward, back to you.
Ayoko sumagot kasi I can't have an answer as good as hers. Kaya,
Try mo. Summer is love dahil...
summer is love kasi iinit yung pag-ibig ng mga...
Parang
Host kita.
inulit mo yun kasi. Yabi
So
ko.
ayaw mo yung pag-ibig?
Ay,
Ayaw mo
Okay,
na?
back to you, Don.
Anyway, Summer is Love because the #1 music channel in the Philippines honors the hottest hit makers and music video creators at Mixed Music Awards.